From stocks to cybers, why trading education should include cyber insurance. Are you prepared for every risk in the trading world? What if the biggest threat to your portfolio wasn't market volatility, but a cyber attack? Let's explore why cyber insurance is becoming an essential part of every trader's education. Trading has always involved risks. Understanding these risks is crucial for success. Market volatility is a constant companion for traders. Prices can swing wildly, impacting profits and losses. Economic downturns can significantly affect market performance. Recessions and financial crises can wipe out investments. Human error is also a factor. Mistakes in order entry or analysis can lead to costly blunders. Cyber attacks are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Hackers are constantly developing new methods to breach security systems. The frequency of cyber attacks is also on the rise. No one is immune, from individuals to large corporations. The interconnectedness of the digital world makes everyone vulnerable. A breach in one system can quickly spread to others. Imagine your trading platform being compromised. What would you do? Suddenly, you can't access your account. Panic sets in as you realize your funds are at risk. Your personal and financial data is compromised. Identity theft and fraud become immediate concerns. Your trades are frozen and you can't react to market changes. Opportunities are missed and losses mount. Financial losses can be devastating. Stolen funds and missed opportunities can severely impact your portfolio. Reputational damage can also be significant. Trust is essential in trading, and a breach can erode confidence. Cyber insurance is a safety net in the digital age. It protects you from the financial and reputational damage caused by cyber attacks. Cyber insurance provides financial protection. It helps cover the costs associated with recovering from a cyber attack. It also offers reputational protection. It can help you manage the fallout and rebuild trust with your clients. Data breach response is a critical component. It helps you notify affected individuals and mitigate the damage. Notifying affected individuals is essential. Transparency is key to maintaining trust and complying with regulations. Credit monitoring services can help protect victims of data breaches. This helps prevent identity theft and fraud. Legal expenses can quickly add up. Cyber insurance can cover the cost of defending against lawsuits and regulatory actions. Business interruption coverage compensates for lost income. This helps you stay afloat while you recover from a cyber attack. Compensation for lost income due to downtime is crucial. It ensures you can continue to meet your financial obligations. Cyber extortion protection helps you deal with ransom demands. It provides resources to negotiate with hackers and recover your data. Protection against ransom demands is essential. Paying a ransom doesn't guarantee the return of your data, and it can encourage further attacks. Cybercrime investigation support helps you identify and pursue cybercriminals. This can help recover stolen funds and prevent future attacks. Support in identifying and pursuing cybercriminals is vital. It sends a message that cybercrime will not be tolerated. Cyber insurance is often overlooked in trading education. This is a significant oversight that needs to be addressed. It's not as flashy as technical analysis. Cyber insurance is often seen as a less exciting topic than charting patterns and indicators. It's perceived as less critical than risk management. Many traders focus on market risks and neglect the importance of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a financial issue. A cyber attack can have a devastating impact on your portfolio and your financial future. Protecting traders' assets and reputation is paramount. Cyber insurance is an essential tool for safeguarding your investments and your credibility. It's time to integrate cyber insurance into trading education. This will help traders protect themselves from the growing cyber threat. Make it a mandatory part of comprehensive programs. Cybersecurity should be a core component of every trading education program. Include case studies of cyber attacks on traders. Real-world examples can help traders understand the risks and the importance of cyber insurance. Provide practical tips for online protection. Traders need to know how to protect their accounts and their data. Strategies to prevent cyber attacks are essential. Education is the first line of defense against cybercrime. Offer tailored policies for traders. Cyber insurance providers can create policies that meet the specific needs of traders. Provide educational resources on cyber insurance. This will help traders understand the benefits of cyber insurance and how to choose the right policy. Knowledge is power. The more you know about cybersecurity, the better equipped you will be to protect yourself. Proactive security measures are essential. Don't wait for a cyber attack to happen. Take steps to protect yourself now. Financial protection is a key benefit. Cyber insurance can help you recover from the financial losses caused by a cyber attack. Peace of mind is invaluable. Knowing that you are protected can help you trade with confidence. Cybersecurity is not just a technical issue, it's a financial one. Protect your investments and your future. Get informed about cyber insurance. Learn about the different types of coverage and how they can protect you. Get protected with appropriate coverage. Choose a cyber insurance policy that meets your specific needs. Trade with peace of mind. Knowing that you are protected can help you focus on your trading strategy. Cyber attacks are a real threat to traders. Don't underestimate the risk. Cyber insurance is a crucial safety net. It can help you recover from the financial and reputational damage caused by a cyber attack. Trading education must include cybersecurity. It's time to integrate cyber insurance into trading curricula. Empowering traders for a secure digital future is essential. By educating traders about cybersecurity, we can help them protect themselves from the growing cyber threat. The evolving nature of trading risks requires constant vigilance. Stay informed and adapt your security measures as needed. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Like, subscribe, and share the video. Help us spread the word about the importance of cyber insurance for traders. Leave comments and questions. We'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you may have. Stay safe and happy trading. Remember to prioritize cybersecurity in your trading strategy. We'll be back with more videos on trading and cybersecurity.